another unboxing video for you today. And if you stick around to the end, I have something very special to give you, just to say, hey, I've seen it and I really like it. So, oh boy, here we go. I love when my doTERRA products come in the mail. I told y'all before and I'll say it again. I'm like a kid at Christmas time. Okay. I'll cut it open like this. I have two products I have gotten continuously because I absolutely love them and they do so well for me. And actually, three products I have yet to try, but I've heard so much about them and I can't wait to try them. Their packaging is so great. Totally paper. Nothing synthetic or whatever. Here, let me just put that behind there. Okay. So, first off, we have the MetaPower Advantage Collagen. I can't say enough about these little guys. They come in these little sachets. Here, I'm going to open them up and show you. Y'all haven't seen my things about MetaPower? Oh my gosh. Yes. This is the best collagen in the world. I'll tell you. I'm not just saying that. It is, oh my gosh. Let's see. You know how most collagens have one, maybe two types of collagen, 5 if you're lucky. But this baby here has 12 types of collagen, and that's going to target all the areas of your body, your hair, your skin, your nails, your metabolic health, everything. Even bone health. I mean, this is just fantastic. And it comes in this great lemon orange flavor. I pray that doTERRA will have these in other great flavors later. I don't know, but until then, this is really a great flavor. You just put one of those in a glass. Glass works best. If you do the plastic, no, that won't be good for you. But you just put a packet in your water, stir it up. I use a electric whisk, I guess you could call it, and just stir it up, drink it down first thing in the morning for me. Oh my gosh, gives me such energy, gives me a great boost, and it helps my overall health. It's just really fantastic. Can't say enough about this. And if y'all want to start with the whole MetaPower kit, my link is down in the description below, just to give you a little tidbit on that. And let's see, we also have the On Guard Natural Whitening and Remineralizing Toothpaste. This is a really good toothpaste. I've used it every day since I got it the first time. I got it actually last month. And I've had some problems in the back of my mouth, primarily my my wisdom teeth. Like half of it's been gone, and all there are is holes in the back. Not to get too graphic with y'all, but ever since I started using this, oh man, I don't know what's going on back there, but it feels better. There's no pain back there. I'm just going to keep on using it and loving it. So that's toothpaste. Now, these products I have not had any experiences with, but I heard great things about them, so I can't wait to try them. So, hold on. Packaging is just great. So, this is going to be lavender essential oil. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. It calms you at night when you diffuse it. It soothes any kind of irritation in your skin, or if you had a bug bite or some kind of irritation, sores. This is supposed to help soothe your skin and help it to heal quicker. And it just smells so wonderful. I'm going to pop the top open. This is some great. It's one of the great ways to use this. You just put a drop, put it in your hands, rub them together, you cup it over your nose, and you breathe in deep. Oh, that is the best. Oh my gosh. I wish y'all could smell that. It's so fantastic. It's really great. You can even put this in some Epsom salts, put them in your bath. You get a really lovely, relaxing bath time before you go to bed. It's really great. You put it on the bottoms of your feet. It's just so great, and it gives you that deep sleep that you would like. So that's a big, big plus. I can't wait to use that and share with y'all my experiences for that. Next, we have the Lifelong Vitality Pack. I've been hearing such great things about these. It helps with everything, really. I'll show you the benefits of it. It gives you general wellness and vitality. It has protection for your antioxidants and DNA. Gives you energy, metabolism, high metabolism, bone health, immune function, cardiovascular health, healthy hair, skin, and nails. Ladies, listen up. That's great, right? Eye, brain, and nervous system. It covers all those areas. Digestive health, respiratory health. It's gentle on your stomach, and it doesn't contain any synthetics or stimulants or anything like that. This is pure, potent, and so good for you. I can't wait to try this and tell y'all how this is. And doTERRA actually is so confident that you'll get all those great benefits from this that they give you a 30-day money-back guarantee, totally 100%. And they're so sure you'll love these. But if you don't get the benefits from these like you would like or you expect, you can even send them the empty bottles, and they'll give you your money back, no questions asked. So that's how confident they are in how these work. And I can't wait to try it and show y'all my experiences. So can't wait. And lastly, the free product of the month is TerraShield. Wow, I can't say. Turn it. I got it upside down. Sorry. Yeah, this is the ultimate bug be gone protection for the summer. Bugs are pretty bad this summer. It's really crazy. But you can take this, put it in your spray bottle with some water, shake it up, have an instant bug repellent. Let's see how this smells, shall we? Let's do this. Might be a little slow. The base is sesame seed oil, so it's a little thicker than some oils. Oh my goodness, that smells so great. That smells so great. All you have to do is rub it on you, all over your skin. Protects you from those pesky pests. And the ingredients are the sesame seed oil, which is the base, like I told you, citronella oil, lemongrass oil, thyme oil, cedarwood oil, geranium oil, and peppermint oil. That blend is especially good for those pesky pests that you want to get rid of or keep away from your home. So, can't wait to really try this out and share with y'all my experiences. So, here we go. You stuck around to the end, so congratulations. I just wanted to let y'all know all my links are down below in the description if you want to start with doTERRA today. Get 25% off retail pricing on everything you buy for a whole year. And I'd also like to give you a special gift, which is my lemon frankincense multi-purpose spray. I've given it to a few of my friends, and they really like the benefits you can get from it. The lemon gives you those cleansing and purifying benefits that you need, and the frankincense gives you that grounding and stability, and both of them together combined will give you the anti-aging benefits. You can spray it all over your face, especially at night before you go to bed. It'll refresh and renew. It will help with your reduction of blemishes. I mean, it's so great. You can even use it as a mouth spray. It would be a really great refresher, and it'll promote your cellular health as well. It's really great. And all I do is I put it in a little spray bottle. It's like maybe that tall. I just use spring water, 3 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of frankincense. And I shake it up, and there you go. And I'll show y'all how I make that spray next time. I have 12 empty bottles ready and raring to go to make this spray. And for 12 of y'all who'd like to get started today and sign up with me, or even to just subscribe to my channel, and you'll let me know in the comments, I'll give you that bottle of lemon frankincense spray. How's that sound? It's really great, and I'll show you all the great benefits you can get out of it, and even put in the description below in my next video what you do with it. And hey, if you get the MetaPower system, which I'll also link down below, you get 2 free gifts with that purchase. You get the Pebble Diffuser, and for this month only is the 2nd free gift, but I can't tell you what that is because it's a surprise. You'll really like the surprise. I'll give you that much. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and whenever you can, hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you really liked it, and let me know in the comments what you think, and if you want to see more stuff like this or whatever, just let me know. So yeah. I just hope y'all take this opportunity and run with it and see what doTERRA can do for you. It's really great. I've been in this since January, and I am loving every single benefit I'm getting from all these oils and products that I use, and it's just been great. I can't tell y'all enough. So okay, that's about it for now. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye now.